Welcome to SmartPost for Google Business Pro in Webflow app. In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Google Business account with the SmartPost in order to manage it seamlessly. To get started, click on the Connect with Google button to begin the authentication process. A new pop-up window will open, prompting you to select the Google account you'd like to manage using SmartPost. Choose your preferred account and click on Continue after reviewing the privacy policy and terms of service. Next, review the permissions SmartPost requires to access your Google Business profile and click Allow to proceed. And that's it. You're all set. You can now select the connected account from the Account drop-down and start managing your Google Business profile easily with SmartPost. In the next video, we'll walk you through how you can easily manage Google Business accounts with multiple locations using SmartPost. Don't forget to check the full documentation or contact our support team if you need any help.